Think of NPV and IRR as two ways to answer the same question. Is this investment worth doing? They look at the timing of cash in and out and the time value of money, but they report the result differently. Net present value, NPV. NPV takes every future cash flow the project will generate, discounts each one back to today using a chosen discount rate, usually your cost of capital or required return, and adds them up, including the initial investment, which is negative. If the total is positive, the project creates value and you should accept it. If it's negative, it destroys value. Intuition. NPV tells you how many dollars, in today's money, the project adds to the firm. Example, simple. You invest $100 today and expect $60 at the end of year one and another $60 at the end of year two. If your discount rate is 10%, the present values of those inflows are about $54.55 and $49.59, totaling $104.14. Subtract the $100 outflow and you get an NPV 414. Positive. That's good. Internal rate of return, IRR. IRR is the discount rate that makes the NPV equal zero. It's the break-even rate of return for the project. The highest discount rate you can use and still recover the initial investment from the project's cash flows. Intuition. IRR says, this project yields X% per year. If the IRR is higher than your required return, accept the project. If lower, reject it. Same example, solving for the IRR gives about 13.1%. Since 13.1%, 10% your required return, the project is acceptable. Same conclusion as NPV. Why use one over the other? NPV gives a dollar measure of value added. It's the preferred rule when choosing between mutually exclusive projects or when you care about total value added. IRR is intuitive and easy to communicate as a percentage return. It's handy for a quick sense of profitability. Common pitfalls. Multiple or no IRRs can occur with non-standard cash flows. Signs change more than once. NPV doesn't have this problem. IRR assumes you can reinvest intermediate cash flows at the IRR itself, often unrealistic. NPV assumes reinvestment at the discount rate, usually more reasonable. IRR can mislead when comparing projects of different sizes or timing. A small project with very high IRR might add less actual value than a larger project with a slightly lower IRR. NPV helps resolve that. Calculating IRR often requires a financial calculator or software. NPV is straightforward once you pick the discount rate. A practical rule of thumb: use NPV to make final decisions and rank projects, and use IRR to express returns and check intuition. If IRR is all you have, be cautious. Check NPV too and consider the modified IRR, MIRR, if reinvestment assumptions matter.